Okay, we are back, guys, with another video. Yay. I know you like the thumbnail, because if you didn't, you wouldn't. Turn on the video. I am doing something my kids love. It's called a grilled chicken sandwich. I do it for them all the time, and I just realized I never made a video. So, take your favorite chicken breasts. I got these from Aldi's. Look at that sale. $3.82 for these. For three of them, because I got one right here. And take some provolone cheese, or your favorite cheese, Swiss cheese, American cheese, or do it all three.
Best way to be.
Get some nice hoagie rolls. These from Aldi's under $2. Get your pan on. I got my pan on, guys. Okay. Now I cut my chicken breasts up into strips. Look at this. I cut them up into strips. There's only one. For my seasoning, I'm only using pepper. And guys, you can marinate this for half an hour to 30 minutes, or in like a Ziploc bag, in Italian seasoning. This is what I use. My kids love this sandwich, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. I made it 2 weeks ago for them, or 3, and didn't make a video. And it's like, Mom, you didn't make a video? Well, I forgot. Olive oil or veggie oil, whatever you choose. Couple of tablespoons. Look, gotta go back to all these. Got time for the grocery store haul, you guys. And my pan is nice and hot.
I think it's the pepper that's turning me on.
Pepper. Ooh, I keep losing stuff.
Yum, yum.
Yes. I make
that's all going on one sandwich.
Yeah. That's why I always buy like 3 packs. I think got like 1 breast or once. And I'm sweating. I don't feel like I'm sweating. Only a minute. Okay. So we're going to let these cook. I'm going to wash my hands, get my tongue, and we're going to come right back. Oh, we back, guys. Look. I flipped my chicken over. Everything is cooking so nicely. So at this point, like fajita or something I'm about to make, right? So this is my Saturday night chicken sandwich. My kids like, Ma'am, this where the cheese coming at. They like provolone. You can use American. You can use Swiss. You use any cheese you want. Now, while that cheese is melting on there, come over here to this.
Oh my God.
I toasted that bun in the broiler. I added some sriracha sauce. Woo.
We got sriracha sauce?
Yes. No, not sriracha sauce. I forgot it was out sriracha, hot sauce.
Okay.
Added hot sauce.
And mayonnaise.
Yeah, to the mayonnaise. Just because they like it spicy.
Oh my God, why am I giving me a heart attack?
And I'm just going to stir it a little bit messy. I'm sorry, guys.
Messy good.
And just stir it up. You can use sriracha sauce.
You put tomato on it.
I mean, you guys, we got that and tomatoes, but this is all about that.
And we eating this for dinner tonight?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I come back from working out. I'm about to be real happy.
That don't sound right. You want to work out? That's nice and that's messy. The mayonnaise, because of the hot sauce, guys. I'm turning the stove off. I'm going to remove this right here. And guess what?
Got the hot sauce and the mayonnaise together.
There's some of the green peppers and onions.
You put them onions on it like that. Oh my God, yeah. I'm talking too much.
And y'all know that mix that that veggie dish I made. I got an audience, you guys. Look at that cheese. Brandon, seriously.
This made me be happy to be alive. For stuff like this.
I can't with my kids. Hand me the dish spatula, the dish rag.
No, Mom, that look good. Like, seriously.
You're not going to bring it out? Thank you. He tell kids to hang you something. He ain't gonna bring the rag out for me. He'll give it to me with dripping water. So,
What you about to wipe off?
look at this, guys. All that cheese and everything. Guys, so look at this. I hope you guys love this. And remember, on the other video, ooh, that's hot.
I got it.
It's hot.
Oh, it's hot, Mom.
Hand that to me. Use that. We always all over the place.
Yes, we are.
We always all over the place. Remember, I did 2 videos in one, right? So they're right here. So this is what they're having with that. I did mix. That tastes great.
Yes, it does.
So I did mixed veggies, roasted veggies, with this grilled sauteed chicken sandwich. I hope you guys love this. Don't have to sit up get like sit right. Hot mess all the way around. Hope you guys love this video. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Until my next video, Soul Squad. I am out. And hit that bell and get notified when you get more great videos like this. So, guys, my roast veggies, 20 to 25 minutes, 450 degrees. Until my next video, guys, remember, hit that bell to be notified so that you get new videos each time I decide to put one out. It's like...